So I'm excited because I have a box to share with you. As always, bring on the excitement. My fashion box is here. I have an awesome stylist. Her name is Kristen. If you're not familiar with Fashom, and I apologize, I don't know, it sounds like far off in the distance someone is riding a motorcycle in circles. Anyway, yeah, I have an awesome stylist. With Fashom, you do fill out a profile. $15 styling fee goes against anything that you keep. If you keep I think it's 3 or more, you get a discount. You don't have to keep everything, but if you keep everything, you get a bigger discount. So I love that. Here's what I see when I open my box. Love that. Inside your envelope, you do get notes from your stylist as well as your pricing sheet and a cute little believe in your better as I am reminder. Believe in yourself, and it gives you all the information on what you need to do once you get your box. One of the things I absolutely love about Fashom is that they do give $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City dogs for every box that they send out. So I love that. And the discount structure goes by 3 or 4 items and get 25% off, but if you keep all 5, you do get 30% off. You do get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. You do get to preview your items. So if for some reason you're not loving the items that your stylist picked for you, you can send an email and ask for more styles. So you're bound to get pieces that you love. Here is my bundle. So that looks interesting. Okay, so first up is by Naked Zebra, and the color in this dress is beautiful. How pretty is this? So it does have a modesty snap here. Love, love, love this green. Very, very cute. I think this is a faux wrap, so it is attached. The material is very silky. Next up, looks like a cardigan by Leah Me. I think it's probably Leah Me. That is super cute too. Has a little ruffle at the bottom. I got something in a leopard print. This looks adorable. This is another dress by Gilly. Little wrap style tie at the side. Love this print. So it's a blue, white, and tan. I love this. Has the collar at the top. I think that is gorgeous. Love. That's adorable. This is a short sleeve jumpsuit. Little flutter sleeves. And it is full length pants, it looks like. Oh, and they tie at the bottom, or like drawstringy at the bottom here. Hopefully you guys can see it because now the sun's coming out. This one does have pockets. And a tie belt. Well, it has the snap in the back, so that one doesn't have a V back. All right, that's cute. And I have one more item. And this is a sweater with a little fringy bottom. So I have the first dress on, and the color of this dress is just beautiful. It also drapes very nicely. Has the modesty snap right here. Just gorgeous. This is a faux wrap, so it is all attached. Has the little button here on the side. The length is nice. Here's what it looks like. It drapes so nicely to the body. I really, really do like it. The only thing I'm not sure about is this top part. So it zips up on the side, but as you can see, I have a pretty wide armhole here. So I do feel that I would need to possibly wear something underneath it just to make up for that, or maybe change which bra I was wearing. I'm not sure. That's the only thing I'm not sure about with this dress, just how large the underarm hole is. Okay, so next up is the jumpsuit. And what do you guys think of this jumpsuit? I think it's kind of cute. It has the little drawstring at the ankle, which is fun. I pulled it up just a tiny bit so you guys can see that. You can leave it completely flat, pull it up a little bit, do whatever you wish. I threw on a mule, but I might try it with a heel too, just so you guys can see it, so a little bit more casual or semi-dressy, you can dress this up. You could probably put on tennis shoes and go super casual, but it's such a pretty jumpsuit that I really think it just looks dressy all by itself. Love the pockets. Has the tie waist. I actually don't mind the flutter sleeves, which I think are pretty. Has a nice little V in the front, little hook in the back, and zips up. It does have like a partial lining that I can feel that comes to like here, which I think is just a tiny bit odd, but I do find when the lining comes the whole way down, you have issues keeping that down too. So, okay, I wanted to try it on with this cardigan as well, which would be a cute little overlayer. So if it does get cool, I also want to see how the sleeves lay, which actually they lay very nicely. But you could throw this little cardigan over top of it. It has the little ruffly bottom. So now I have the sweater on. And what do you guys think of the sweater? I paired it with a jean skirt for a fall look and my little mules that I had on earlier. I think this would be a great fall, 60-ish degree day where it's still warm. You can wear the jean skirt, be comfy, but you still need a little bit of warmth so you're not uncomfortable. I love the little fringe on this. This sweater is very soft. I thought maybe the fringe on the sleeve would bother me, but no, it's not too long and hanging down over onto my hand, so I love that. The neckline is nice. I really don't mind the pattern. So, and it actually lays kind of nicely to the body, even though it is a bit of a boxy sweater. Yeah, it's kind of cute. I don't know if I would be fixing the fringe all the time, possibly, but it does seem to be laying pretty nicely. So let's do the last dress. Okay, guys, last dress. How cute is this dress? Love, love, love. There is a modesty snap here. Also love that. And it is pretty strong. I don't expect it to fly open. Like the little collar detail here that's high up at the top. I think that is super cute. The length is really nice on this dress. I like that. Creates a nice waist. It does zip up the side. And I love, this was fun. I feel like I got some, wear now, wear later pieces. So a little bit of everything.